Ensuring quality medicine starts with understanding process validation. Process validation is a bit like baking a cake. You wouldn't just throw ingredients together and hope for the best, would you? You'd follow a recipe, ensuring each step is done right to get that perfect cake every time. In the pharmaceutical industry, process validation is just as crucial. It's about proving that a manufacturing process consistently produces high-quality medicine that meets predetermined specifications. This rigorous approach ensures that every pill, injection, or ointment is safe and effective for patients. Imagine the consequences if a critical step in manufacturing a life-saving drug wasn't validated. The U.S. Food and Drug Administration, or FDA, sets stringent guidelines for process validation. These regulations help pharmaceutical companies establish and maintain consistent quality control, ultimately protecting public health. Building a solid foundation begins with understanding the 3 stages of process validation. The FDA's process validation guidelines are based on a life cycle approach, comprising 3 essential stages: process design, process qualification, and continued process verification. Each stage plays a critical role in ensuring the manufacturing process consistently delivers safe and effective medications. Think of these stages as building a house. First, you need a well-defined blueprint. That's process design. Then you construct the house and ensure it's structurally sound. That's process qualification. Finally, you perform regular maintenance to keep it in top condition. That's continued process verification. By meticulously following these stages, pharmaceutical companies can establish a robust and reliable manufacturing process that consistently produces high-quality medicines. Stage 1, process design, is really the blueprint for success. Process design is the foundation of the entire validation process. It involves defining every step of the manufacturing process, from raw materials to finished product. Critical parameters like temperature, pressure, and mixing time are meticulously studied and documented. Imagine designing a car assembly line. Each step, from welding the chassis to installing the engine, must be carefully planned and documented to ensure the final product meets safety and performance standards. Similarly, in pharmaceutical manufacturing, a robust process design ensures that every batch of medicine is produced consistently and meets the required quality attributes. This stage involves extensive risk assessments to identify potential failure points and implement appropriate controls. This proactive approach minimizes the risk of deviations during manufacturing, ensuring consistent product quality. Stage 2, process qualification, is all about putting the plan to the test. Once the process design is complete, it's time to see if it works. Process qualification involves running the manufacturing process under actual operating conditions to verify its effectiveness. This stage involves rigorous testing and documentation to demonstrate that the process consistently produces medicine that meets predetermined specifications. Think of testing a new airplane before it takes flight. Engineers conduct rigorous flight tests to ensure every system functions correctly under various conditions. Similarly, during process qualification, pharmaceutical companies run multiple batches of medicine, meticulously collecting data to demonstrate consistent quality and identify any potential issues. This stage provides documented evidence that the manufacturing process, as designed, can consistently produce high-quality medicine. It's about ensuring that the recipe developed during process design works as intended in a real-world setting. Alright, so, Section 5, Stage 3, Continued Process Verification, or CPV for short. This is all about ongoing monitoring for consistent quality. You see, process validation doesn't just stop after successful qualification. Nope, it's an ongoing effort. Continued process verification ensures that the validated process stays in control over time. This stage, well, it involves keeping a close eye on critical process parameters and product attributes. It's like having a system in place that allows for early detection and correction of any deviations. Think about it this way. Imagine a car going through regular maintenance checks to make sure it's running smoothly. CPV works in a similar way. It involves regular reviews of production data, trend analysis, and even periodic requalification activities. All of this is to make sure the process stays consistent. This proactive approach is pretty crucial. It helps identify potential issues before they can impact product quality. It's really about continuously learning from the process, finding areas for improvement, and adapting to any changes, whether it's in raw materials or equipment. By putting a solid CPV program into action, pharmaceutical companies show their dedication to maintaining control throughout a product's life cycle. And that, ultimately, ensures that patients receive medicines that are both safe and effective. Section 6. Reaping the rewards benefits of robust process validation. So why go through this rigorous process? The benefits of robust process validation are, well, numerous and far-reaching. Firstly, it ensures patient safety. By consistently producing high-quality medicine, pharmaceutical companies can confidently provide patients with treatments that are safe and effective. Secondly, it reduces the risk of costly product recalls. Identifying and addressing potential issues early on saves time, money, and potential damage to the company's reputation. Thirdly, it enhances process understanding. By meticulously analyzing data, manufacturers gain valuable insights into their processes, leading to improvements in efficiency and productivity. And finally, it demonstrates regulatory compliance. By adhering to FDA guidelines, companies can confidently demonstrate their commitment to quality and patient safety. Section 7. Avoiding common pitfalls. Tips for effective validation. While the benefits of process validation are clear, there are common pitfalls that companies should avoid. One common mistake is inadequate documentation. Thorough documentation is crucial for demonstrating compliance and justifying decisions made throughout the validation process. Another pitfall is failing to adequately train personnel. Everyone involved in the manufacturing process must understand the importance of their role and how their actions impact product quality. Lastly, neglecting continued process verification can lead to process drift and potential quality issues down the line. Ongoing monitoring and data analysis are essential for maintaining a state of control. By avoiding these pitfalls and embracing a culture of quality, pharmaceutical companies can reap the full benefits of process validation and ensure the delivery of safe and effective medicines to patients worldwide. Section 8. The importance of regulatory compliance, meeting U.S. FDA guidelines. The FDA plays a crucial role in protecting public health by ensuring the safety, efficacy, and security of human and veterinary drugs, among other products. Compliance with FDA regulations, including those related to process validation, is not optional. It's a legal and ethical obligation for pharmaceutical manufacturers. Failure to comply with these regulations can result in serious consequences, including costly warning letters, product recalls, and even legal action. By embracing a culture of compliance and proactively engaging with regulatory agencies, pharmaceutical companies can demonstrate their commitment to patient safety and build trust with consumers. Section 9. Conclusion Process Validation, a cornerstone for patient safety. Process validation is not just a regulatory hurdle, it's a fundamental element of pharmaceutical manufacturing. By embracing a science-based, data-driven approach, companies can ensure that their manufacturing processes consistently deliver safe and effective medicines. From the initial design stages to ongoing monitoring, each step in the process validation lifecycle plays a crucial role in safeguarding patient health. Ultimately, a robust process validation program is a testament to a company's commitment to quality, compliance, and most importantly, patient well-being.